Hey guys, so I'm at Chili's International Drive, and this is, what's the name of it?
Let's see.
It's a molten lava cake, I believe. I forgot what the total
It's a
name is.
molten chocolate cake.
Okay, molten chocolate cake, and it's got lava filling inside, I think. So I'm gonna let Savannah taste it and see what's going on with that. Go ahead, Savannah.
That's hard.
It's a shell. It's like chocolate coating. Is it good?
Look.
Oh my god, it's like lava inside. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. And what is that on top? Is that ice cream with the
Yeah.
shell on it? Pretty good, huh? All
It's
right,
hot though.
there you have it, folks. Hot but good ice cream. Chili's.